Thanks for checking my video. Welcome to my Asigo system review video. In this Asigo system training, you are going to discover the automated eService Dropshipping Store you can instantly copy to attract and stock your own and free 100k per month sales without paid ads. This is a new business model where we can build a profitable online business engaging in eService Dropshipping Store. And this training will show you or reveal how to build a 2k per week business with no product, no suppliers, no inventories, no Amazon, no Shopify, no Facebook ads, no YouTube ads, no Google ads, no SEO, no list building, no social media, no tech skills, no design skills, no sales skills, no writing skills, no fulfillment. So they are running a demonstration workshop where you can see how their students are stocking automated 1k per month in currencies with their copy and paste eService Dropshipping Stores. So if you want to join the ecosystem training, make sure you click the link below to get access to this page where you can input your email address and reserve your free spot. This is exact same strategy their top students are using to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in hand of profit each year. So if you want to start a new business, you want to learn how to start eService Dropshipping business, then Asigo system training is the best way to get started. You don't need to have a prior experience. You don't need to run a Facebook ad. You don't need to run a Google ad. You don't need to invest heavily on your business. So click the link below to get access to this page where you can join the Asigo system free training. Wish you the best of luck.